I did some research online and looked at some of the construction and some of the how-to things that they put out. We had limited experience with swimming pools, but through the research, we wanted something fairly basic, but talked to people about some of the new features and things like the splash pad, which we thought would be a really good addition. And talking to Solid Structures and even a couple of other companies, came up with the idea of the rectangular pool and the color. We went back and forth between a darker and the lighter color, but we liked the light blue. The design process went really well. We actually made multiple changes during the process, and they were very accommodating and were able to go with us and keep up with what we were trying to do. Everyone raves about the way the pools come out. The location certainly helps, but the pavers in the pool itself are really great, and everyone's responded positively. We were really surprised at how quickly they were able to complete the project, and the effort they put into the cleanup and the landscaping and the grass seed and everything has been phenomenal. It's way more than I expected. Yes, I would definitely recommend Solid Structures for any kind of a project like this.